Hey guys, in this episode I'm going to do an unboxing of this 44 by 22 double bank roller cabinet by US General. So don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, so here's what we have. This thing came pretty much all assembled. The guy told me at the store that apparently sometimes that they put these wheels on at the factory just because it's easier to move around. So in this case, this already came with the wheels. But the only thing you'd have to put together on this maxed out is the wheels and the push bar, the handlebar that you find up here. Luckily for us, we only have to put on the little bar here in order to move it around. So wheels already assembled, can't beat that. So let's go ahead and take a look right here what we got. Your instructions, your keys, these little nifty pieces of paper if you want to write down what tools you got where. They'll slide right in here with a piece of plastic that goes over top of it. So that'll come in handy for some of you. I probably won't use that. But the end caps that will go on after you put it in your piece of paper, your screws for your handlebar, and your handlebar. And that's really it. So let's go ahead and put this on. It's going to be pretty easy. Slide this bolt right in here and then apply it here. And it does not come with an Allen wrench, so you're just going to need your own 3/16 wrench. So let's do that. Alright guys, so let's take a quick tour. So what we got on the top, we got a nice little covering mat right here. Pretty heavy duty, like that. As you guys know, if you guys watched my last video where I did an unboxing of a toolbox that I use, as you know I'm a maintenance technician, so I cart around a toolbox daily, and my last unboxing of a US General toolbox was a little bit smaller of a toolbox, and got a bunch of tools and I'm constantly fumbling around with them. And the last toolbox, it was awesome, it's lasted, it's good, but I just wanted something bigger. I wanted kind of the next step up, that way I can organize my tools a little bit more and I can add some more tools to my tool cart. So this was what I opted for. Now this was normally $499 with a coupon. I think I got it down to maybe $50 or $60 less, so not too bad. I'll take it. Like I said, I've been happy with US General. So what it came with was a mat in each one of these drawers, and you can really kind of see how big these drawers are. So I'm going to have a lot of space to really organize my tools, so I'm pretty excited about that. I should have more than enough space. The one thing I did like about my other tool cart was that it had that open area at the bottom, and I can kind of put my welding helmet there. And this one I don't have it, so I may just kind of have to put that somewhere else. But I think I can live with that. But really a lot of space. And I can't wait to start filling it up. There you have it. And of course, a little handle, which, like I said, I work in a factory, so I'll be pushing this thing around everywhere. So it feels nice and strong, very sturdy, heavy. So it'll be interesting to see how it is carting it around. But there you have it. So, as you can see here, this is a side-by-side comparison with my toolbox that I've been using for 2 years and this new toolbox from US General that at this point I've been using for a couple of weeks, and I'm extremely happy about it. It's larger, it's got a larger workspace on the top of it. My last toolbox, great, still works great, but I just wanted something bigger, and so that way I can hold more tools and be way more organized. I did a video about what's in a maintenance tech's toolbox, and if you go to that, and I'll leave that in the description below along with the unboxing for my last toolbox, so make sure you guys take a look at that. If you watch that video, you'll see that after projects I just end up throwing stuff in the top and it becomes a catch-all for the rest of it, and my toolbox becomes really unorganized, and I wanted to try to feel a little bit better about my toolbox by organizing it better, and I can find my tools a lot faster, a lot easier when I get to a call where I need to start working on something. So that's really why I got this box, so I can become more organized, get more tools. We all like that. And that's pretty much it. So at this point I've been using it for 2 weeks and it's been great. I've got a lot more workspace on top of that box, like I said, so I can kind of lay out tools and work on smaller things. But just by setting on top of that box. So yeah, so there you go. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.